this is Chris, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the SanDisk UltraFit with USB 3.1 speed. It's a 256 gigabyte USB 3.1 flash drive. Provides up to 15 times more transfer speed than USB 2.0. And what's great about this product is it comes with a free cloud offer for 1 year. So 256 gigs will match in the cloud with what's on the SanDisk device. And you can see it's very small. The cloud offer is not like OneDrive or others from other services. It just backs up the data on here. So you're not going one-to-one files in and out. It's just backup for the files that are on here. It has a 5-year warranty. Shows right here, limited warranty right here. And it includes Rescue Pro Deluxe 1-year software download offer. So that's all with this little SanDisk UltraFit device. 256 gigabytes. Thanks.